Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the YouTube show where extreme danger is par for the course. You can't get much more extreme danger than microwaving a can of Lysol. This is extremely dangerous, so please do not attempt this under any circumstances whatsoever. Really, don't. And this is Elsa, the Prcotor-Silex microwave, making what may be her last appearance on the show. Okay, put this in. Close her up. Let's get microwaving. Once again, this is a very high-risk experiment. Never try anything like this at home. Well, that looks like that finished off Elsa after all. Well, that was cool and all. I was hoping it would last even longer. I was actually waiting to do round 2, waiting for her to cool off and start again, but looks like that ain't gonna happen, so I'm gonna officially pronounce Elsa a goner. Anything that could make that much fire, you look, it looks like it melted her control panel a little bit. Anything that can do that to your microwave, you never want to try at home or anywhere else. One cool thing this did, the spray paint didn't do, is it blew the cap off. But this gets a deadly verdict, easily.